Hi everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn how to play the riff and the solo of I Feel Fine by the Beatles. Before starting, let me tell you that if you want to learn the chords of this song, you should check out this tutorial instead. Having said that, let's get straight to it. The riff goes like this. 3, 4, 1. Okay, let's break it down. You start with fret number 10, D on the second string twice. Then 8 and 9. One thing to notice is that this riff starts on beat 2. So when you put it together, it goes like this. 3, 4, 1. By the way, for the right hand, I'm using the middle finger for the first string, the index for the second string, and the thumb for the third and the fourth one. You carry on and you have fret number 10 and 9. I'm playing them both using the ring finger, by the way. Then 7, 9, 7. Again. Let's put everything together. 3, 4, 1. Okay, let's see what comes next. Here you actually repeat the same riff but starting from fret 8, C. By the way, remember the starting notes of each part of the riff as they're gonna be useful later. Anyway, you have 8, 8, 6, 7, 8, 7, 5, 7, 5. Again, 3, 4, 1. And now let's finish the riff. For the next two measures, you have again the same riff, starting from fret 3, G. But this time the ending is slightly different. You have 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, open string, and now 2, open string, 2. Let's put it all together. 3, 4, 1. And again. I played it twice because this part of the riff is repeated twice in the song. Now let's play the entire riff slowly. 3, 4, 1. One more time. Okay, let's have a play along for the riff a little bit faster, let's say at 160 BPM. Bear in mind, one of the difficulties of this riff is the tempo, which is actually around 180 BPM. And one more thing, the riff is played many times in the song, starting from different points. I'm gonna be playing it as you learn it, which is how they play it in the intro. In the play along, I'm gonna be playing it twice so that you can practice it a little bit more. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. One more thing, if you're playing by yourself, consider adding the chords on beat 1. Let me play it slowly for you so that you understand better what I mean. 347, C7, G7, G7. Okay, now it's time to work on the solo. It goes like this. 3, 4. Okay, let's break it down. You start with a slide from 8 to 10 on the second string using the ring finger. Then you have 8, and then you slide from 10 to 12, and then you end the lick on fret 10. Altogether, 3, 4. Let's work on the next measure. So again, you slide from 8 to 10, and then 8. And now you have 10 pull off to 8, and then 6 and 7. Altogether, 3, 4. Now let's put these two measures together, and this is repeated twice, by the way. 3, 4. Again. Okay, now let's see the second part of the solo, which is basically the same as the intro, but the structure is a bit different. You start with the riff from fret number 10, D, which you will repeat twice. Then the riff from fret number 8, C, once, and you end the solo with the riff from fret number 3, G, 3 times. Let me play it for you. 3, 4, D, D, C, G, G, G. Okay, now let's put this together with the first part of the solo. 3, 4. And now let's have a play along at 160 BPM. The aim of this tutorial was to teach you how to play a cool riff and a cool solo by the Beatles. On my Patreon page you can find the tabs, the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. Don't forget that if you want to learn the chords of this song, I have a tutorial for it which you can find in the description. And one more thing, if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if everything was clear. And if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free A-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process I follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!